In the first months after the proletariat in Russia had won political power, October 25, 1917, it might have seemed that the enormous difference between backward Russia and the advanced countries of Western Europe would lead to the proletarian revolution in the latter countries bearing very little resemblance to ours. We now possess quite considerable international experience. This shows very definitely that certain fundamental features of our revolution have a significance that is not local or peculiarly national, or Russian alone, but international. I'm not speaking here of international significance in the broad sense of the term, not merely several, but all the primary features of our revolution, and many of its secondary features, are of international significance in the meaning of its effect on all countries. I am speaking of it in the narrowest sense of the word, taking international significance to mean the international validity or the historical inevitability of a repetition on an international scale of what has taken place in our country. It must be admitted that certain fundamental features of our revolution do possess that significance. It would, of course, be grossly erroneous to exaggerate the truth and to extend it beyond certain fundamental features of our revolution. It would also be erroneous to lose sight of the fact that soon after the victory of the proletarian revolution in at least one of the advanced countries, a sharp change will probably come about. Russia will cease to be the model and will once again become a backward country in the Soviet and the socialist sense. At the present moment in history, however, it is the Russian model that reveals to all countries something, and something highly significant, of their near and inevitable future. Advanced workers in all lands have long realized this. More often than not, they have grasped it with their revolutionary class instinct rather than realized it. Herein lies the